In the data, NHIS survey, the sample code book, including the cohorts, age groups less than 65 and 50, 66 to 74 and 75 and older, and including the functional limitation, functional capacity, including they mention about dressing, bathing, eating, getting in and out of chairs, walking, using toilet, and also including questions, difficulty in work, physical health, have you fall recently, and also including medical diagnosis, diabetes, hypertension, stroke, arthritis, a lot of information in there. It's a thousand of information in there. So I wanna kind of choose a kind of how can I design and which variables I'm gonna do under cross-sectional data. So the systematic methods with procedural and evaluative steps and develop the research questions and actually its hypothesis in the functional difficulties in ADLs among older adults with diabetes with visual impairment compared to no visual impairment. And hypothesis 2, seeking rehabilitation specialist for any functional limitation or improving functions in ADLs. And hypothesis 3, as I mentioned earlier, I wanna find out what about the quality of life with correlations related to diabetes and visual impairment. And I'm gonna identify the data set, as I mentioned. The reason I put the tentative because it's a possible another data set I found, but I have to find out, how can I organize the data, and I have to evaluate the data set, probably linear regression, and definitely ANOVA, using what's the relations between functional conditions with diabetes, and if the person with the visual impairment, then what is the problem actually? So technically this research, cross-sectional data, is comparing functional conditions with diabetes, visual impairment or not. So and also I definitely discuss about the limitations of the study and what I want to go further from my research.